In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert OD to Docx in LibreOffice Writer. If you've created a document in LibreOffice and need to share it with someone who uses Microsoft Word, converting it to the Docx format is the safest way to ensure they can open it. I'll walk you through the process clearly, explain what each choice means, and share a few practical tips along the way. First, launch LibreOffice Writer. You can open it from your application's menu or by searching for it on your computer. Once Writer is open, bring in the document you want to convert. If it's already saved as an .odt file, open it in Writer by going to File and then Open, and selecting your file. You can also drag the file into the Writer window if that's faster for you. Give it a second to load so you can see the content on the page. Now that your document is open, it's time to create the .docx version. Go to the File menu at the top and choose Save As. Save As is important because it keeps your original .odt file intact and creates a separate copy in the new format. This way, you'll always have the original if you need to go back to it. A Save dialog box will appear. Here you can pick the folder where you want the new file to go and change the file name if you'd like. This is a good moment to give it a clear name, like adding Word at the end, so you can quickly tell which version is which. Next, look for the drop-down labeled File Type or Save As Type. The wording may vary slightly depending on your system, but it will be near the file name field. Open that drop-down and scroll until you find Word 2010 to 365, .docx. Select that option. Choosing .docx ensures the broadest compatibility with current versions of Microsoft Word and most cloud editors. Avoid older formats like .doc unless you have a specific reason to use them. When you're ready, click Save. If a Confirm File Format warning pops up, that's normal. LibreOffice is just letting you know you're saving to a format that isn't its native .odt. Click Use Word 2010 to 365 format to proceed. The document will be saved as a .docx in the location you chose. That's it. You've converted your .odt to .docx using LibreOffice Writer. Keep in mind that complex layouts, unusual fonts, or advanced features may look a little different in Word. If something doesn't appear as expected, you can return to your original .odt file, adjust the formatting, and save again as docx. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to share your document with confidence.